Hello, everybody. So we just went over our lesson on how to grade on your iPad. So now I want to show you how to do it on your computer. Um, your computer offers you more grading features than your iPad does. However, your iPad gives you that convenience of it's easier to write on and it grades more. It's lighter to carry around and it's kind of easier to grade on. But there will be certain situations where you would rather grade on your computer. Some people grade entirely on the computer. So I'm just going to go over with you how to grade through the computer. So you have two ways to get to the assignments to grade it. One, you could very easily just click on the timeline link, and that will bring you into what's called the speed grader, or the area where you create or the area where you can see all the submissions and grade them. The other option is if you click on your Canvas page, go to grades. Okay, this will pull up your grade book. From there, you just find an assignment that you would like to grade. You press this little blue arrow and then click speed grader from there. So here's what the speed grader looks like. It's going to bring you to your first submission in alphabetical order that you have. All right, now you have the option on the computer to grade all sections at once, or you could grade one section at a time. This can be useful if you wanted to if you were balancing your schedule and wanted to have all of the grades done before a certain class period so that you could review a class, or if there was just one class that you wanted to focus on in the short term. So right now it's on all sections. If I wanted to switch it to second period, okay, all my second period submissions would come up. Also, you can toggle through students quicker if you weren't going to go in alphabetical order. So you have access to every single one of your students here, and you can just click on their submissions and edit it. So you could take a look here at the different submissions, okay? And this is useful because let's say you've already graded a submission and you would like to go back and reevaluate it. On your iPad, you're not going to be able to do that because it disappears as soon as you put a grade in. However, on the computer, you just get this little green check mark. So, for example, this student turned their assignment in early. So I provided them feedback for resubmission. So when they resubmitted, I can go back and give them a new grade. All right. And similar here, we've got another student I've already provided a grade for. If I wanted to go back and reevaluate it, I could do so here. It also has all the same features that you saw on the iPad. If you wanted to write little notes with the marker, you could do so with your cursor. If you wanted to type out some sort of comment, you can. Okay, just like that. And if you wanted to highlight something or strike through text, you could also do the same, and you can change your colors here. So anyways, this is some subtle differences with grading with the iPad. In our next lesson, we'll be going over how to use a rubric for grading, which I will show you shortly. Thank you for paying attention, and I hope this was useful for you.